Hi everyone! In today's class, we have another Quickie Flow session. So we are going to do some explosive exercise. So we'll start at the top of our mat. Okay, go ahead, you'll find your Tadasana, grounding through the feet. Here we go. As we inhale, we'll reach the arms up. You can look up. As you exhale, we'll fold forward. Inhale, we'll come up halfway. Then as you exhale, we're going to jump back. Okay? Then land maybe with elbows bent to our Chaturanga. Inhale, we'll find our back bend. And then exhale into our downward facing dog. Okay, so for this first round, you can move any way you like. Okay? And then from here, we'll start to add. Okay, from here, we'll shift forward to plank, but lift the right leg up and then bring the right knee to the right elbow as we do our push-up. We'll push back into down dog. Inhale, exhale, as we push back up, downward facing dog. Stay here for a breath. And then we'll look in between the hands, we'll jump forward. Inhale, come up halfway. Exhale, we'll fold. Inhale, we'll reach the arms all the way up. Exhale, hands back by the sides. So we'll do a few rounds of that. Okay, inhale, we'll reach the arms up. Exhale, folding forward. Inhale for our halfway lift, chest reaches forward. Then as you exhale, go ahead, you can even step back into plank if you like. Breathing in. And then exhale into downward facing dog. Moving with the breath. Inhale. Exhale. Right knee to right elbow. Inhale. Exhale. Left knee to left elbow. Downward facing dog. Keep breathing. Look forward. We'll jump forward. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, we'll fold. Inhale, we'll stand up, reaching up. Okay, that's round 2. Hands back by the sides. Okay, round 3. Inhale, reach the arms up. Exhale, we'll fold forward. Inhale, halfway lift. And then making your way back, whether it's a step back, jumping back, breathing in, zipper. We'll zip that up. Exhale, downward facing dog. Yes, the right leg lift up, right knee to right elbow, push back. As the left leg lift up, left knee, left elbow, push back. Stay here for a breath, look forward, and then we'll jump, or maybe even walk forward. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, we'll stand up. Exhale, hands back by the sides. Round 4, inhale, arms lift. Exhale, we'll fold. Still mindful of the breath. Again, step back, or maybe jump back. Breathing in, and you can choose your back bend. Maybe you'll find cobra if you like. Okay, here we go. Right leg, right knee to right elbow as we add that push up. Left leg lift up, left knee, left elbow as we add that push up. So it's not necessary for the knee to touch the arm. Okay, we'll jump forward. Inhale, exhale. Inhale as we reach up, standing up. Exhale, hands back by the sides. Round 5. Okay, notice your breathing. Inhale. Exhale, we'll fold. Inhale. Halfway lift, chest reaches forward as you exhale. So mindful, choose. Maybe you'll step back, jump back, breathing in. Exhale into our downward facing dog. Again, as right leg lifts, keep pressing away from the floor as elbows bent. Okay, same effort, left side, left leg lifts. Downward facing dog, breathing in and out. Okay, we'll look forward. You can walk or jump forward. Inhale. Exhale, we'll fold. Inhale, we'll reach the arms all the way up. And then exhale, hands back by the sides. All right, so see how you feel with that? Namaste. So I hope you had fun with that. If you are looking to get your heart rate up, that was the exercise for you. If you have any suggestions or any requests, make sure to send a comment and don't forget to like and subscribe. I would like to thank you for watching. This is Every Yoga by Jo and Daya, sharing everyday yoga for everybody.